Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I will be speaking about the ketogenic diet. Let's go.
I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
Hi everyone, how are you? This is Be Fit and Healthy by Science. My name is Nima, a registered dietitian and nutritionist. In this video, I will speak about the ketogenic diet, and I will focus on history of ketogenic diet, and I will make a ketogenic diet playlist, and I will speak completely about ketogenic diet. In this video, I want to speak about the history of ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is adequate in protein, high in fat, low in carbohydrate, and mimics fasting. Under the condition of reduced carbohydrate and increased fat intake, fat are converted into ketone bodies in the liver, resulting in a state of ketosis. Ketone bodies are utilized as the main energy source for the brain and other organs instead of usual energy source, glucose. A ketogenic diet is an evidence-based and effective treatment primarily for epilepsy that has been utilized and researched for nearly 100 years. In the early 1920s, Dr. Russell Wilde at the Mayo Clinic suggested that a high-fat and low-carbohydrate diet can mimic fasting and produce ketosis. The diet was developed and utilized for treatment of epilepsy, but the use of diet decreased when introduction of additional antiseizure medication in 1920s. The diet gained increased popularity again in 1990s. The increase in its popularity has been attributed to the effort of Jim Abraham's family, who in 1994 founded the Charlie Foundation. The Charlie Foundation is a not-for-profit organization established in the United States to educate the people on the use of ketogenic diet for treatment of epilepsy after the founder's son, Charlie Abrahams, became seizure-free on the diet. Since then, numerous studies have been published on the use of ketogenic diet. In 2017, the American College of Nutrition awarded the Charlie Foundation with Humanitarians Award for being an organization that has worked selflessly and effectively in the broader field of nutrition to benefit humanity. Less restrictive variations of ketogenic diet have been developed, including modified Atkins diet or MAD, low glycemic index treatment or LGIT, and MCT oil diet. The diet type is chosen by the medical team based on the individual diet need, preferences, medical history, and age of each patient. Overall, more than 50% of patients with epilepsy will develop greater than 50% seizure reduction, and some will become seizure-free on a ketogenic type diet. This is the history of ketogenic diet. In next episode, I will speak more about ketogenic diet. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Good luck. See you again. Goodbye.